Have you ever looked up at the stars and wondered where we really come from? Today, we dive into one of the most fascinating and controversial theories out there, the story of the Anunnaki. So, who were the Anunnaki? According to ancient Sumerian texts, they were a group of deities who came down from the heavens. The name itself is often translated as those who from heaven to earth came. These texts, some of the oldest writings known to humanity, paint a picture of powerful beings descending from a mysterious planet called Nebula. The core of this theory, popularized by author Zecharia Sitchin, is truly mind. Sitchin interpreted these ancient cuneiform tablets to mean that the Anunnaki came to Earth around 450,000 years ago. Their mission, to mine gold. Apparently, their home planet Nibiru was facing an atmospheric crisis, and they needed gold particles to repair its failing atmosphere. The work was tough, and after a while, the Anunnaki miners reportedly rebelled against their leaders. They needed a solution, a new workforce. This is where the story takes a wild turn. The theory suggests that to lead Anunnaki scientists, Enki and Ninhursag, decided to create a worker species. How? By genetically engineering existing hominids on Earth, our early ancestors, and mixing their DNA with that of the Anunnaki themselves. The result of this genetic experiment was Homo sapiens, us. We were created, according to this narrative, to be Lulu or primitive workers, destined to toil in the gold mines for our creators. This idea attempts to explain the so-called missing link in human evolution and the sudden explosion of human intelligence and civilization, particularly in ancient Sumer. Of course, this is a huge departure from mainstream science and history. Most academics and scientists dismiss Sitchin's interpretations as pseudoscience, arguing that his translations of Sumerian texts are flawed and taken out of context. They point out that there is no physical evidence of a planet like Nibiru or of ancient advanced technology as described in the theory. The consensus remains that human evolution followed a natural path over millions of years, driven by natural selection. But whether you see it as a hidden history or a compelling sci-fi saga, the Anunnaki story forces us to ask big questions. Could ancient myths be more than just stories? Is it possible that our origins are far stranger than we imagine? It challenges our understanding of history, religion, and our place in the universe. What do you think? Were the Anunnaki real? And did they engineer humanity? Or is this just a modern reinterpretation of ancient myths? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.